Hello. Spelling is often something that concerns students as many feel they are not good as they could or should be at it. However, spelling, like anything, is simply a matter of practice. So here are some tips to help you when spelling any word. Firstly, learn how the word is spelt. For some of us, simply learning how the word should be spelt is enough. This can be achieved through repetition. For example, and there is one rule which might be spelt successfully if you just simply learn what the rule is. Secondly, visualize the word. Can you close your eyes if required and see the word to help you spell? Another way in which we can learn to spell is to break the word down. For many words, breaking it down into its syllables, so parts of that word, is a great way to remember how to spell it. So for example, business becomes bus-I-ness. Wednesday becomes Wednesday. Another way is to pronounce silent letters. So for example, knife. An acronym takes the first letter of a few words and puts them together. So you might already use acronyms online or in text. So LOL, for example, stands for laugh out loud, laughing out loud. BRB, be right back. One way to remember some tricky spellings is by turning each letter into a word. So for example, to remember rhythm, just remember rhythm helps your two hips move. Then it turns obviously difficult words into silly sentences, and that will help you remember them even more. Make sure also you learn the rules. Well, when you add a suffix, so a word ending in ness, to a word with the letter Y, that Y is changed to an I. That's not the case if the suffix starts with an I. So as an example. So someone can be trying, but that same person tries. You can be partying or go to many parties. A final way is to know your weaknesses. So could you create a list of words that you know you spell wrong and then use some or one of these methods to make sure that with repetition and practice, you learn them. So here are some tips that you may want to try and employ. And again, it's just trial and error. Which works best for you? And good luck.